It's all about the specialized design of your tools. In brushes, the basics are the handle and the brush. What are they made out of? Will the brush bristles be too strong, too light, too big, or too small? How will the handle fit your hand, and will you enjoy using it? And last but not least, is it easy to clean? That last question is important because sauces, melted butter, and beaten egg yolks have a habit of getting in every nook and cranny. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best basting brushes in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Creuset Silicone Craft Series Basting Brush. The shape of this great-looking silicone brush from Creuset makes it suitable for many uses, as its crown-shaped edge and conical bristles work well on both meats and pastries. Made from premium silicone, it's stain-resistant, non-abrasive, and resistant to odor and flavor absorption. The ergonomic wooden handle felt comfortable during testing, and the head is removable, so it was easy to wash it in the dishwasher after each use. It held an acceptable amount of barbecue sauce and did fairly well with basting oil and juices onto a turkey breast. Number 2. GRILLHOGS Feeling Saucy. This long-handled, mop-like brush holds thin sauces that other brushes can't manage. During testing, it took several dips to get it to grab the thicker sauce. It's great for big grilling projects since that's what it's designed for, but it soaked up a lot of the thin liquid and held it in the mop. Because of the 18-inch wooden handle, we could reach across the grill without worrying too much about the heat, and the mop was fun to use. Number 3. Conservision Silicone Basting Brush. These very well-regarded, affordable brushes come in sets of 2 to 5 of various sizes. We tested a set of 4, with 1 larger brush and 3 smaller ones. The design is seamless to avoid catching food or sauces and has a core of stainless steel in the handle to provide strength. The brushes can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees, are made from food-grade silicone, and are dishwasher safe. With any of these sets, you'll be able to grill with a variety of different sauces or bastes all at the same time, making any meal a feast. The set we tested was packed neatly, but the brush bristles were bent. The brush still worked, but looked uneven. The bends remained even after several uses and trips through the dishwasher, so care should be taken when storing to make sure they stay as straight as possible. Number 4. OXO Good Grip Silicone Basting and Pastry Brush. OXO's basting brush is the perfect choice for most cooks, capable of performing many daily tasks. You will find it to be an irreplaceable part of your kitchen setup after just a few uses. These are the words of people that already own this incredible brush. This stylish black brush has a very interesting, unique bristle design that both makes glazing a breeze and helps you maintain the brush in good condition. There are multiple layers of silicone bristles that allow for thorough glazing without missing a spot, but that is not all they do. Number 5. Pastry Brush Natural Bristle Wooden. While natural bristled brushes are not the option that everyone wants to go with, they are by no means any worse than the brushes that have synthetic bristles. This brush is proof of that. Made out of 100% natural boar hair and wood, it's really soft and will suit many types of tasks. Natural bristles such as the ones found in this brush are known to hold moist liquids very well. This allows you to properly spread the glazing all the way across your pastries with just a few quick strokes. That was our list of the top 5 best basting brushes, just for you.